Shout out to all my lifers. Shout out to all my deep divers. Can you feel it? Do you believe it? You are the one. We've already won. We're pushing forward. We get it done. Can you feel it? You are the one. We're getting it done. We already won. Let that Bitcoin bang. Bang, 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 bang. Getting it. Getting it. Are you getting it? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, baby. It is Friday. You know how I am on Fridays, baby. Come on. Nothing can keep a man down on a Friday. Not a dip in the script. Not a flip in the whip. Let's keep it moving every single day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and being awesome. Bitcoin trade played out exactly as you predicted, my man. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. And not even exactly as I predicted, just merely exactly as the chart suggested. I am merely simply a meteorologist. I'm able to give you the charts the way they're supposed to be looked at. Oh my God, Summer! Bring me my chain and my watch. They're on my top drawer in the bedroom. Be very quiet. Give me my chain and my watch in the top drawer of the bedroom. Give me my chain and my watch. Don't play me, girl. Then come down here and talk to your father. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Here we go. Let's keep it moving. I give my daughter a little task to see if she'll do what her daddy wants her to do. Literally, some days she's, as she gets older, before it was, yes, daddy, whatever you want, daddy. Now it's, oh, I'm busy listening to music. Okay. Shout out to St. John's. Got the St. John's Mullen jersey on from back. Mullen, man, one of our best players. Shout out to Mullen, man. Sad that we lost him. I hope Elon gets, oh, come on, don't say that. I'm not going to repeat that. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Let's take a look at BTC USDT like we do every day. Now, throughout the week, I've given you 3 trades that all went exactly as planned. Exactly as planned. And you can watch yesterday. I said we would go and drop to the bottom of the pattern. It's simple. I've been pattern trading. It's been very simple. Look, I even have my yellow line from yesterday, and I showed you where we were on the RSI. Like, everything is in angle. Now, you can trade yourself back to the top of the pattern. Now, you want another trade? Look. The 1 hour is now oversold. It's simple, guys. Don't overthink this stuff. Thank you very much, sweetie. So you do listen. Aha. Aha. She does listen. All right. I feel complete now. With the blessings of the Native Americans. And the silver, high-ho silver, and the gold, baby. Platinum gold, silver, baby. They look beautiful. So check it out. Down, up, right? That's what we're saying. It was simple, right? When we were here, we traded up. When we were here, we traded down. When we were there, now we're going to trade where? We're going to trade back up again. Guys, this is simple. Pattern trading, okay? Don't overthink these things, okay? The 1 hour oscillates in between the 4 hour. Okay. I tried to put a juxtaposition for my followers and my patrons yesterday, showing you guys something. I'm like, look, check it out. Pay attention to the way the 1 hour oscillates inside of the 4 hour. Get to know your time frames. Get to know how the time frames move in between each other. Okay? Hey, mate, Win just had a bullish cross in the MACD and is breaking out pattern. I think it could be an amazing trade, but want to get your thoughts. We will take a look at Win for sure. Let me duplicate this chart right now. This is what I can do too. I can set up the next chart ready to go. We can take a look at Win USDT. Okay. The Win somehow didn't come out. There it is. And we'll keep that waiting for us on the back end. And that way you know I got you, baby. I got you. Bitcoin, 36,000. Now, it came down. It bounced so beautifully right off 35. The traders were pattern trading this beautifully. So you got to go to the 15-minute to pattern trade. All right? Now, remember, I gave you this. We were in this wedge. I gave you that call. Boomed up. You got to just learn your patterns. Simple. Look, is that an inverted head and shoulders on the 15-minute? Shoulder, head, and shoulder? Yeah, let's go to the 7-minute. To me, it's a bit of a shoulder. To me, it's definitely a bit of a head and shoulder pattern. If we take a look at it, right, we see what's going on here. Bam. Got rid of the hair. Yeah, if you notice, got rid of the hair. I always get rid of the hair in the springtime, in the summertime. Where's your hers? Where's your hers, man? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Just kind of, you know, going. My wife says I look younger. Keeping it fresh, keeping it cool. Hey, I'm only in my 20s, guys. Hey, mate, Win just had a bullish cross on the MACD. Yeah, the MACD. You know what, guys? I'll teach you something. So Bitcoin inverted head and shoulders there on this smaller time frame. Looks like you could play a scalp. How do you play a scalp? Well, just play the patterns. Just play this pattern, guys, exactly as it says it should be played. Like so. And that would get Bitcoin back up to 38,251. That would be the measured move of this inverted head and shoulders. So there's your trade. Very simple. It's going to come down here and loop. I think it already actually did with the bounce there. So let me show you what's going on. I'll give you a long position here. We'll zoom on into this. If I so. Entry. Exit. It's a 4% trade. Tight on that stop loss below the 21-day, 0.08%. There's your trade. You're going to risk 0.08 to gain 4. Whether you leverage trade it or not is up to you. Okay? I'm not going to suggest anybody leverage trade, but it's up to you. If you do leverage trade, and again, nothing I say here is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and make sure you do your own due diligence before entering any trade or doing anything you see me do here on the live stream. Shout out to everyone coming through into the live. Shout out to everyone having a great time. Now, the difference between me and a lot of other YouTubers is I got that radio voice for you guys. I got that love for you guys. I got that passion, and I'm creating a community. I'm creating an energy. I'm creating an environment for you to thrive, okay? We're not looking just past once we get the gains. We're looking, what do we do with the gains? What kind of community do we live with those gains? And what do we do with the earth with those gains? So I hope to make a plethora of you very loaded. And then I'd like to take you guys all and create a movement bigger than we ever thought we'd have. So this is not just a YouTube channel. There is so much coming out of this. I'm telling you right now, we are a progressive movement. And you might find yourself living on the Crypto Life or Beach community one day. Doing your thing. Doing your part. Planting. Growing. With your bread. With your bro. You know, doing your thing. We'll create eco mining systems. We'll be mining cryptocurrency with solar panels. Like, we will be doing our thing, man. So bam, there's the call right there. There's the trade right there. Set up in a nutshell. Bitcoin scalp if you so would like to take it. Again, that's the idea. Why? Well, and honestly, I wouldn't enter yet. Wait for the 7-minute to come down. Wait for the 7-minute to come down here. So don't enter the trade yet. I think we might go a little lower. Sideways, something like this. Okay. Una, this sounds so dope. Let's set that up in Florida. Yo, let's do it, man. I want to set it up in like somewhere in a foreign country though, like in the middle of nowhere. 33 likes, 94 people watching. Come on. People who call themselves crypto lifers are not halfway, and halfway people do not watch videos that they appreciate and have passion for and don't hit the like button. So if you don't got that passion, come on, I'm going to give you that passion. So come on and hit that like button and get it going. What happened to your hair, bro? I'll move my farm to your beach community. Lifers got to eat. That's what I'm saying, man. Dude, once we form the unit, once we form the bond, we will, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man. Elon manipulation again, man. I love it. Crypto Love, man, he's on point. Yo, shout out to Crypto Love, my dude, man. I love you, Crypto Love. You're my man. You're my man. You're my man, dude. Crypto Love, bro. What an amazing guy. He teaches you how to live, man. He teaches me how to live every day. He really does. He teaches me how to live. Like, the man is an amazing person. He's an amazing person. He's not just a YouTuber. He's an amazing person. And that's what it's about. Okay? I gave multiple trades throughout the week that played out. I gave you this trade to break out of here. Called this breakout to the minute for my entire group. Just kept posting and say, guys, I'll let you know. First, I had a weekly live stream for the Patreons where I went over when Bitcoin was right here. And I said to everyone, put Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart and put it in this bull. If it breaks down to the bull flag, we're breaking down. If it breaks up, we're probably going to break to the upside. Take the trade. Boom. You took the trade. Then when we got to the top of the pattern, I highly suggested that we would probably end up falling down to the bottom of the pattern. What do? We fell down to the bottom of the pattern. Before this even happened, I suggested to take the trade here at the bottom of the pattern. Put your stop loss down here. We did come up and come back down. Could have taken profits. But had you stayed in the trade long term, it played out with no stop loss getting hit and went all the way to the top of the pattern. So, 3 trades in a row have played out for me on Bitcoin. Let's go 4 for 4. Let's go 4 for 4. Okay? And you can see I'm out here every day. You can go back to yesterday's stream and see the stream, see all the calls play out exactly as called. So, done and done. Right? So you think there's that red candle coming down. Like I said, I think we're going to get a little more action. I think we'll fill out hitting the 21-day moving average. That would be probably a nice little spot. Then we might kind of dribble right there as this comes back down. But the 1 hour, play that 1 hour. Ride the 1 hour up to the top of the stochastics and get out. Don't be greedy. Just play the 1 hour to the top of the stochastics and get out. Okay? Take a look at that 4 hour. Oversold though, baby. Oversold. So actually, hold on. Let me take I got to post the actual trade to my group real quick. Let's post the actual trade. Inverted head inshallah. This is tight though. Okay, we're falling down. 0.8. Shouldn't really go lower than that, but they could wick you. So like right there. Right about there. Yeah, 36,710. No, 36,210. Maybe psychological support at 112. 36,112. I don't want to risk the 1%. 0.9% to risk 4.8. Yeah, it's not too bad. 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio. There's the wick off of the 21-day moving average. I believe you want to get into that wick. I would get into that wick. That's, again, don't do anything you see me do in this channel. Nothing I say and do is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own research before getting into any trade. Crypto Lifer and any of his subsidiaries are indemnified for any losses that you may occur by being a complete moron. Shout out to everyone on the live. Thank you for coming on in. I appreciate you guys. We've hit the BTC scalps time and time again. So, hey, let's go for it again, right? So check it out. All right. So that's my BTC call right there. Right there. And And let's move on forward for a bigger trade now. So there's your scalp. Free trades every day here on the channel. Every single day, free trades. And they play out. So we're not giving you garbage here. We're giving you top-notch quality technical analysis. And I'm trying to teach you how to do it yourself so you can figure it out. Other people are trying to get paid on their Patreon by spoon-feeding you tiny little gems that will help you. I'm trying to give you the whole load. I'm trying to give you everything all at once. Pause. I shouldn't have said that. I'm trying to give you everything that I can, because you know what? I truly believe I could pass away tomorrow. So I'm not trying to stack my money I'm not trying to be super greedy. I'm trying to just keep my soul pure, so when I leave this earth, I feel that I did the right thing. That's really the goal here. So help me out, achieve that goal. And I can only achieve that goal, guys, if you work hard. Like, if you guys want to take my tutoring sessions, I need you guys to work hard. I need you guys to want it as bad as I wanted it. I need you guys to want to change your lives as bad as I did. I need you guys to just want to push to the limit, you know. Set up a meeting here in Hermosa. Chill with the waves. MATIC got an inverted head and shoulder? Question mark. Let's take a look at MATIC. Here's the next trade for Bitcoin. I believe we came down to the bottom of the pattern. Traded up to the top of the pattern. So here you go. Bigger trade. Here's the bigger trade. 4 hours oversold. We could even double top here. We might hang out down here, but either way, here's the deal. You're going to put the stop loss right here below this wick. Maybe even below this wick here. Just because they thinking most people will be right there on that wick, so come down a little lower than the wick. Got to outsmart these market makers. So far, they've been letting us trade it, though. They've been letting us trade it. So you could open your position here. Come on. Okay. Stop loss at 11%. It's a little steep for me, because I'm only trying to pattern trade this 6%. That trade don't work for me. This trade might be too risky. We might be too far into the pattern. See, this was good because we had a good stretch to make it. This was good because we had an obvious chance that it wouldn't pop out of the pattern. The stop loss was good. This trade's not as good as the last two trades. Higher chance you'll get stopped out. So I'm just letting you know. And the risk to reward ratio just doesn't sit well with me. We'd have to shrink all the way up. You'd have to you have to bank on the bottom of this trend line at 3% and try to gain 6, which is only 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So if you really feel like you have to take this trade, take the trade. But in my opinion, take the scalp instead and walk away. You know, if this is a little tight, but that is a trade for Bitcoin on the 4 hour. You can see we are oversold, ready to rock. You could enter here near the bottom of the pattern. They wicked us all the way back up. Probably will continue. You should see Bitcoin back at 38.6 and probably get rejected one more time. Then it's going to run out of room. And then everyone is going to wait for what Bitcoin does. Does it fall down to the bottom of the pattern, or does it break to the top? Now, the daily suggests that we fall all the way down. Nasty. Nasty, because once this 4 hour finishes and we oscillate, we're going to be right here. And this daily is going to be pointing down still. So what I want to see this sideways action inside the pennant, bring the daily stochastics down here. If we can go up and down in the next 2 days through this pennant, which I think it will take 2 to 3 days till we get to the very, very end, and stochastics can come down to the downside. Look how long, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, even kind of longer. Yeah, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 days there. How long? And I'm showing you from when the stochastics went up to where it curved down. So the length of the stochastics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5, 6 days. And we got to come on down. So about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, could be about 5 days before we see the fruition of this pattern fully play out. Okay. So this worries me because the daily is pointed to the downside, saying we have more pain. And look, that is a bearish engulfing candle. You can stick this whole green candle in that candle. Bearish. Bearish tones. Okay. But pattern traders say we could bounce to the top of the pattern. We could even fall out. Some could say this is an M pattern. Look at this. You could say it was a double bottom, but the double bottom never played out. So it was a double bottom that got rejected. So if it's a double bottom that got rejected, is it an M? See what I'm saying? So now we got an M, and the measured move of the M is like right there. So now we're getting kind of confluence the other way on bearish tones. You got an M pattern inside So normally how I show you guys, we got a W inside of a bull pennant, and I'm like, great. And we play that all the time. Now you get an M pattern inside of a bear pennant. What do you think? So I'm not trying to, you know, so we can make a lot of money shorting Bitcoin here. So we should get excited. This will be a very easy short, because once we crack this, it's going to just dumble. And all the little people are going to get scared and sell. And that's going to be easy money for us. So let's not be scared like everybody else. Let's get ready to make some Doja and short Bitcoin down, right? And what's cool about it is you can have a small short with a little stop loss. If you get kicked out, so what? You missed the short. But if you do get it, you're going to get a run like you wouldn't see. MACD is a little high as well. See? MACD is extremely high on the daily. Daily's telling you it's got to have to make a bit of a come down. And stochastics are extremely high as well. And the RSI is pointing to the downside. It is not too high, though, which is all right. Tells us we shouldn't have too much. So that's my call for Bitcoin. The daily, the bigger time frames, the daily needs to reset and come to the downside. Does that mean we fall out of the pattern? It doesn't. It could reset while we go sideways. The saving grace right now is the 4-hour oversold on the stochastics. Could double bottom, which I think it will go up, down, and then make it. But I believe that the trade is to make it, to enter here and ride it to the top of the pattern, back to 38K. So 36 to 38K, not a huge trade, but that's just a pattern trade that I see. That's the trade at hand, okay? And then I gave you a 7-minute scalp as well, okay? With this inverted head and shoulders reaching its target, which would be about here, about 38K. Yeah, about 38K as well, right? I think you could pattern trade this all the way to the top of the pattern up here to 39,000. So 3850. If you enter now, 3850 or 38,500 should be the exit. That way you're a little ahead of the curve, a little ahead of the herd. And so there's Bitcoin in a nutshell for you guys. Now let's go to the biggest time frame, the weekly time frame. So I just gave you 3 trades on Bitcoin in a nutshell, technically. There was a short last night on the 1 hour, which I said we were going to go down last night. Said Bitcoin's going to go down to the bottom of the trend line. And that's what it did. Just can't stand that song. I don't know why, but I just can't. It's too much for me. Like meow, meow. Like I don't like little computer sounds, man. I like clean essence sounds, life sounds, love sounds, push sounds. You know. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for the super chat, $20 super chat from Crypto Greg. Let's take a look at MATIC for Crypto Greg. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Wow, there's a lot of me right there. That's funny. I didn't. Too much. It's too much. We got to ask about Wink right at the beginning of the show. Might as well get into that. He said, I saw a golden cross happening. I don't know where you saw that about to happen. Maybe you saw it on the 1 hour. Let's see what he's saying. He believes. Yeah, right there, a little bit of almost a golden cross about to occur. Right there, just have on the 1 hour. But yeah, it does suggest we could see some more beautiful movement. Crazy what happened to Wink, man. They took her all the way down. Look at that. Back to ground zero, basically. Wow. 100% retracements for a lot of these coins to the downside. What if Bitcoin continues to go down? What happens to them now? They become bearish, right? And go into another bear moment. It's kind of weird, man. They would spike up so high. We get so much pumpage. And bam. If we ever break out, this is the measured move, finally. Inverted head and shoulders did play out. Got us to the top. We rolled, though. I don't know, man. I got to watch this stuff right now. It's all eyes on Bitcoin. I'd be wary of the plays. There's a few bearish proof coins that we're going to talk about that I keep mentioning every single day. And there's a reason why I keep mentioning them. Why I'm staying on them. Now look at MATIC. You can see that. But that's why you play. Let's look at the MATIC BTC trade. Because if BTC goes down and MATIC goes down, you don't lose anything. You get it? That's why I'm playing the MATIC BTC trades. Okay? So look, now you're bottom of the pattern. Trend line. Now you want to look for divergence on maybe the 7-minute. It's a smaller time frame. And there we have it right there. Swing down to swing down hard. Onto the bottom of the pattern, exactly. And swing up to swing up on that target. Bam. So bullish divergence on that 7-minute, suggesting that is the bottom of the pattern. We should pattern trade it back to the top of the pattern. So, and just going to follow Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin's at the bottom of the pattern. Now you can trade MATIC back up 20% gains. Okay, back up to 192. So it's the same game we're playing, man. Stick to the 1 hour and oscillate on it. Take 1 hour oscillation trades. Right? 1 hour's pointing to the upside. So that tells you we're probably going to make a move. Some bearish divergence right there as well. So bam, some bullish. Yeah, slight bullish, not perfect. Don't like this song either. It's too much. It's too much. Okay, 159. I see it bouncing up here and going to the upside. Up 20% gains. That's your call right there. So here's the trade for MATIC. You would get in here, bottom of the pattern. And you would get out right there. 70%. Always try to go, maybe try to skim that profit a little earlier. And stop loss right there. At the edge of that moment there. 2.3% to gain 19%. 10-to-1 risk-reward ratio right there for MATIC. Okay? There's the trade for MATIC right there. MATIC scalp on the 1 hour. Ready to rock. Everything looking good. MACD about to cross. You know? Then if you're looking at the 1 hour, check out the 4 hour. See how it's rocking. It's oversold. That's also a good sign. It says that trade will probably move out. So you could probably play this on the 4 hour as well. And get out when the 4 hour gets to the upside. The 1 hour will kind of go up and down throughout the pattern. And then bam. So there's a scalp for MATIC. See, the trades are getting smaller, quicker, and faster because that's the trading cycle we need to be in. Remember before I said, oh, buy this, get in long, look at the weekly, look at the daily, because that's the cycle we were in. Now, when the cycle changes, you change your trading style. Okay? And this comes with this is something that a veteran does. And it takes some time to learn, but it'll get you where you need to go, man. And eventually you'll know what you need to do. Okay? Like, you didn't see me using the word scalp for a long time. Now I'm calling scalps out. I'm giving you guys smaller 20-minute, 10-minute trade, 1 hour trades, I'm sorry, on the time frames. You know what I'm saying? Using smaller time frames to chip away at these prices. You can still go into a project if you still believe in it, but what if Bitcoin goes down 0.5%? And it's not right now is not the time, in my opinion, to accumulate projects that you really like on the low. Unless it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the only thing I would suggest you buy, and Ethereum right now. Maybe BNB, if you really, really love a coin, fine. If it's your coin, you're willing to stick with it, fine. But everything else, take a deep breath. Just be easy on it. Be easy on it right now. Don't just be jumping all over the place. Ooh, my mouth is dry. I need a sip of my tip cup. Crypto Greg, man. You guys put all the weight on Crypto Greg. Funny. I told Crypto Greg I'm going to have to buy him a boat. End of all these super chats. I hope Elon gets Clintoned. Oh my gosh. Hey boss, what about Cardano cart? I just think that's hilarious. It shows that you know what's going on. I swear, like every Friday, Elon Musk had to tweet something. It's getting old fast. Hurt Rubik is a real bargain right now. Any opinions? Can't be no space between our first letter and otherwise name. Won't show up. Hope it helps. Technology is against me. What is Cammy trying to do? No names pop up for me when I try this. Sadly. Thanks, though. How do I know how to tag you back in the message? Hit @crypto_lifer. Hey, Lifer, been watching some of your previous streams in the morning. Love the content. Have been sharing. Shout out to Sue. Oh, Sue. Sue. You brought me to tears yesterday, Sue. Hold up. I went into the testimonials. Did I got a photographic memory? I remember almost everything that happens. And I swing it back around. And Sue right here. I watch your stream when I can today. I was off work and I caught you live. Your show is so informative. You have a very unique channel. I found you to be very entertaining as well and very informative. You're an inspiration to others and so genuine. I'm going to share you to all my friends and stay with you to watch as you grow. Always have taken your advice, so we'll let you know when I'm a multi-millionaire. Thank you for all the hard work and dedication you give us, and you are the best. We love you. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Sue. I appreciate it. Don't make me tear up. But thank you so much, Sue. I really appreciate it. Much love to Sue. I love you too, Sue. I love you too. The love is real here on the channel. It's not fake love. It is the realest love you ever get. Most people don't use the word love at all, so when they hear it, they think it's not real. They're like, that can't be real love. But it's real love. I'm telling you right now, it's real love. I receive the love. You get the love that you put back, man. You get the love that you put back, guys. It really is. You receive what you put out into the world. Okay? The GOAT. Elon's girlfriend has a mustache. She's grimy. Yeah, I think Elon has an scapegoat for the people behind the curtains playing the strings. Something weird's going down. Something weird's going down for sure. MATIC for the long. I don't know about MATIC for the long. I mean, I have MATIC for the long. It is running out of room here. I have it in there's a bigger trade at hand. Right now, we're going to trade the top of the pattern. All eyes on Bitcoin, man. All eyes on Bitcoin, for sure. Imagine how much light I have, and it still feels like it could be more light. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I wish these songs were more consistent. Harris, you could do better, Harris. Anyway. Look at DOTDOWN up 20% today. And look at these crazy spikes. But it's pretty easy. I'm going to start showing you guys how we're going to do this. All right? Or how we could, so I gave you Bitcoin trades. Whenever Bitcoin's trades were looking down and out, right? That's when we were going to play the DAO token. So, like if Bitcoin's about to break down out of this, we play the USDT DAO token and you're going to get more percentage gain. I second also said because YouTube, best YouTuber right there. Thank you, Liver, for all you do. $5 super chat from Farmer D. Much respect to you. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Bitcoin Fridays, man, they're always kind of crazy. They really are. But we got the bounce off the top of the pyramid, off the bottom of the pyramid. We'll be good to go, guys. Another trade in the books. Looks like it'll play out pretty well for us. Another trade in the books, so. The biggest winners today in my group are UMA. UMA continued to move up 13%. New, which is what, NuCypher, I believe, right? This thing's starting to make a huge move. Damn. Apparently, New did not get the memo on Coinbase. NuCypher, dude, booming. Double bottom played out on this one, and it's actually breaking out. Is this in that chart? So my last call on it played out perfectly. Can I go 2 for 2 on NuCypher? Haven't made a call since about February. We're going to track this. All right, now we're going to do some support and resistance on this guy. Can you feel the vibe? Can you feel the energy? You decide where you're going to see your enemies. You're going to ride with your friend of me. You just a friend of me. If you just a friend of me. So, guys, you got to believe in yourself at all times. You got to believe your trades will work. You got to have mental stability, mental toughness. And look, we talk about these things all the time, but I love pointing them out. Shoulder, head, shoulder, okay? Make your neckline. This is the trade I just gave you on Bitcoin. Similar scenario, similar idea, different time frame. Boom, and that's where this said would go to the measured move. We got pretty close to it. Pretty nice, you know? Some actually might do this as the measured move too, I realize. They take this price and they stretch it all the way there. That's probably more like it. And bam, there you go. So that's what they're doing. They take the wick to the wicks. So we just learned something there. That's what these market makers do. And look, that brought us right to the target. Right to the target. Well, we should get rejected and come back down. So if you want to get a NuCypher, you play the retest right there. And then the bounce up. Shout out to the black and gold, man. Big win last night. Big win last night. Down with Josh Soleil and his Islanders, bro. We got you, Josh Soleil. We got you in overtime. That shot was insane by Marshad. He got it through the front and into the... Yo, come on, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We have 200 people watching and only 90 likes. The type of people that I like to rock with me, I like to have really strong people in my life. I like to have confident people in my life. I like to have passionate people in my life. I really don't like to hang out with people that are so-so. I don't like to hang out with people that are halfway. So if you're a real person, and there's 207 real people out here, please hit the like button. There's only 95 people hitting the like button, but we got 208 real people here. So why are you not acting real? You see what I'm saying? Hit that like button. Show your support. Show your love. Those likes are monetary gains, man. They changed my life. Those likes changed my life. It's crazy. You give me more likes, I get more views. This channel grows bigger. We get sponsorships. I can go and start talking around the world. Who knows what could happen? So please, man, if you believe in me, if you love me, if you care about me, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And then I lose 10 people every time. Every time people sign off. Because you know what? It's people that don't love themselves. If you don't love yourself, then you're going to sign off right now. Okay? Because something in you gets offended when someone needs love. I'm asking for that love. Then we break 200, man. Anyway, so Theta. I'm looking at Theta BTC. Theta mainnet coming out. Can I still buy tutoring sessions? Do you like Telcoin? Yes, you could still do a tutoring session, and I do like Telcoin. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect to you, man. Thank you very, very much. So look, Theta BTC broke out, came back down for the retest, and then boom, there's your retest buy. I always talk about the retest buy, and there you go. Now we're ready to rock. Okay. This is also that's not house music. This is house music. Like it's like the genre there. I don't know where they just change it up. Yeah. Sure, and you have to give us an ad then if I open that for you. So come on in.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give us likes, and make sure to also hit the red button and the bell. Oh, make sure you can also watch this video again.
Thank you so much. Oops, sorry. Let me kiss. There you go.
Thank you.
We don't drink a lot of that stuff, though. Only little bits.
I know. That's why I only...
All right, guys. Thank you so much for coming on in. All right, so shout out to Sue L, man. So check it out. She's a lot of my life, man. Daughters remember their fathers, man. I want her at my deathbed holding my hand, remembering what a great dad I was. Like, I think about those days every day. And hey, brother, loving your work. Any suggestions on what to do with altcoins, i.e. SafeMoon? Hey, Lifer, can you take a look at ETH, USDT? Well, if Bitcoin takes a bump, they're all going to take a bump. Broski, where do I sign up for a one-on-one? Trying to see what's up next week. I'm hip to the streams. You're like the DJ of crypto, lost in sauce. Just go to the link right here in my description, and it gives you my entire UTC 4 o'clock. UTC 4, I don't know what that means, but it is Eastern Time, USA. Eastern Time, USA. Click any day you want, and it'll give you my schedule, and then pick a time. Very simple. Like, let's pick, hey, you want to go on July 4th. I'm open on 10, and I shouldn't be open on July 4th. I should close that off. And look, Saturday, July 3rd, I'm open, so there you go. I'm actually going to start closing some of the days off because I do like going to the beach in the summertime, man. Friday is my day. Hit the like button. Shout out to James Burns. Thank you so much. Shout out to Jimmy B up on the spot. Thank you so much for the super chat. Sweet kid, bro. She's about the same age as my boy. I love it, man. My two little market makers are always helping me out with this stuff. Good man. Good man. Shout out to Snooty Snoots up in the spot. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Okay. Enough yapping. Let's get to the trapping. So, Theta BTC came back down, but starting to make a move. So, Theta BTC holding against Bitcoin, and I see it's going up about 89%. We're going to have to shave that 10% we made already. So, if you had taken the call, we got in very early down here, pushing up Theta BTC. Theta has a mainnet coming out. June 30th, man. That's like 2 days away. It's like tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So, Theta BTC holding, it's $9. And it's been booming, man. I said accumulate Theta between $6.50 and $8. I said it numerous times. Okay? Had you listened to me, you would be up 30%, 60% right now, okay, on the Theta call. So shout out to everyone that took the call. I also said it probably could retest and come back to the this support region and then break to the upside and go 175% gains up to $20. I mean, that's beautiful, right? 175% gains. Man. And we even get in earlier right there, like $6.50 to $8. So shout out to anyone that got into Theta. Love the TA, baby. Shout out to Ryan McTamini. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. And that's your time. So there you go. Theta breaking to the upside. And I see it continuing to break to the upside. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys some TA. Your favorite coin. Tell me. Sanju Sharma. My favorite coin. I think I got to say Cardano right now. I think I gotta say Cardano for sure. I just think it's undervalued still, extremely undervalued. Not a fan of the song. I need to get a playlist I really like. Anyway, Cardano, man, I'm just a huge fan of Cardano. A little bit of Cardano in my life. So look, it's forming this rising wedge, you know. Could it decouple? Could it begin? And look, we saw it in this Adam and Eve double bottom, okay? And it's in a bit of a ascending triangle too. It should be breaking up to the upside. We'll see. It did tick the red candle, like, because Bitcoin's going to take everything down when Bitcoin goes down. But right now, everything's going up. For the afternoon, we'll go up. But then the weekend could be choppy. The weekend could be choppy. We're seeing a lot of red in the market. Let's take a look at coin market cap. See what's going on. Shout out to everyone here. 217 people, 130 likes. Can we get the likes to the watchers? That's all I ask. Humbly, please. Don't hate me for it. Please don't leave the stream just because I want the watchers to match the likes. That's all I'm asking. Please. Yikes. Ooh-wee. What are your views on Polygon MATIC? I love Polygon for the long haul. I'm just not sure where this market's going to go. I'm watching Bitcoin strictly almost. It's going to affect every single coin. I don't care what it is. Even if it's bear proof, that coin might take a little bit of a slip, except for Celsius. Celsius and HNT, man, we're looking at those very closely. They're doing really, really well. Only drink out of mason jars, man. Only drink out of mason jars. Look at that green screen work, though. Shout out to the technical team with the green screen work. You guys are... It was me. I did it all, but, you know, they're great guys. Biggest Bitcoin conference in Miami on Monday could affect the prices. Yeah, yes and no. I'm looking at that TA strongly. Wouldn't that be funny if they dumped on that entire conference? That'd be crazy. Highly unlikely. So many people go there and make the conference, and you think they do it? I would do TA and make sure my conference was like at the bottom of a MACD. You know what I'm saying? I'm serious. Like, I'm dead serious. If I had a conference like that, I'd do TA on it, and I'd try to be like, I hope I speak on the day where Bitcoin's pumping. Like, I don't want to speak on that. So look, there's Rep BTC. There was a cup and handle we gave you on May 5th, and boom, made it exactly to the target. Look at that. Exactly to my target, and would dump. How many times? So many times. You know, hit the like when I join, and I made it a habit. Thank you so much, man. Much appreciated to you guys. 139 likes. I guess I won't get the 200 likes, but it's cool. 80 of you people just want to hold back. But remember, holding back hurts you. It doesn't hurt me. I'm going to get the like. You know what? 2-3 months from now, I'm going to have thousands of likes. I'm going to have 100,000 subs. It's on the way. It's coming. It's going to do what it does. Dude, if I started at 0 and I got here, then 10,000 to 100,000 it's when you start YouTube, going from 10 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers, way harder than going from 10,000 to 100,000. Like, now the path to 100,000 is pretty it's paved in Bitcoin, baby. It's paved in Pax G, baby. It's ready to rock, baby. So look, Bitcoin dominance in a bit of a what? Cup and handle. Continuing, it could break to the upside. So, and it kind of doing what it does. Right now, the 2-hour or the 4-hour oversold, probably going to come back down to the downside, which is a good sign. It's a good sign. People aren't like hodling into Bitcoin right now. They kind of just keep wanting to trade these alts. If this keeps slipping, alts will kind of still play. But we're in a very precarious situation. Oversold on the daily tells us that there's going to be a little bit of a bump. In my opinion, it's telling you there's going to be a little bit of a bump. How big of a bump? Well, it's a falling wedge. It's a bit of a double bottom. And it's got the measured move out of the falling wedge. Almost a bill flag, kind of, but there it is. And that could put dominance back up to 52. And alts will bleed, my friends. Alts will bleed. So, as fun as everything looks right now, and I'm not trying to scare you out of positions. I'm just, I'm not selling all my coins. Okay? Jacob Ball, what do you think about XRP? Haven't done XRP yet. But the idea is, if you're new here, please throw me a super chat. I got a family. I got kids to feed. Every little bit helps. Like, if you want me to go over a coin or want me to go over something, throw me a super chat. It would be much, much appreciated. And I will give you my all. Like, you'll feel good. You'll be like, wow, I gave this guy a cool super chat. He sent me the love. It was cool. I did what I did. It was cool. You know what I'm saying? You'll like it. Oh, it says no card in camera. Isn't this crazy? Took me this long to figure that out. I'm like, what is that little white thing there? It should pop back on in a second. Sorry about that, man. That was annoying for you guys. Okay. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming. Sweet Kid, she's about the same. Okay, hold your EGLD and stake it. Yeah. Should I convert my EGLD into ETH? Yeah, I would never get rid of my EGLD. That's a coin I will never get rid of. Never. Let's take a look. So Bitcoin dominance, I could see pumping back to the upside. So watch that, man. Daily's telling us. So just, you know what? Crypto Lifer is always trying to get you guys 3 to 4 days ahead of time. Remember that. This stream is for 3-4 days ahead of time. I'm a little bit ahead of my time. People forget that. So then when I tell them something, they forget about it. And I'm like, guys, remember. So when Bitcoin dominance pumps in like maybe 4 or 5 days and you see something crazy going on, you're like, okay, I get it. Interesting, because this is what I see too, which I never noticed before. Now, head and shoulders can be slanted. They're not always straight up. Could this be forming a head and shoulder pattern that breaks even further down and to hit support here? Whenever you're trading anything, you want to hit support and resistance. What is this? This is total. It's the entire market cap of all the cryptocurrencies. Okay? Is that a possible head and shoulder? I never even thought about it, but it is. There's a possibility there. It's looking very head and shoulder-esque. Okay? You could also say it's in a bit of a flag. And it did bounce off the 200-day moving average. See, Bitcoin didn't do this, but the entire cryptocurrency space did. So it tells me that some of these alts, something in this cryptocurrency space is healthier than Bitcoin. Because why? Well, the other 40%, Bitcoin's about what, 40%. So the other 60% of the coins are performing better than Bitcoin. And this is what it's telling you, because Total 2 would not have bounced off the 200-day moving average. It would be low, just like Bitcoin is. So when you juxtapose when you juxtapose Total and Bitcoin, dude, I'm going to subscribe and eventually donate you money. Next paycheck, bro. Appreciate you. Shout out to COTI F. Anytime, man. Don't worry about it. Just awesome. Just send me that love. 2038. Yeah. Oh, and I got to send the, hold on. Okay. Cardano has 70% of its coins staked. Very solid support. Yeah, exactly. 70% of the people are staking Cardano. So who's going to slang that? Have to go to work. We'll catch you when I finish at midnight. Catch you later. Happy. Damn, finish at midnight. Damn, Sue. You got a long job. But I guess, what is it? It's like 3 o'clock where you're at. You're going to work from 3 to 12. Damn. DuckDuckGo. Elron. Have been suggesting about... on Telegram, moving his strategies must be acceptable for individuals to discuss, and really thankful for a 7. Oh, come on, man. Why are you guys wasting my time, man? Report, man. And why my mods, crypto in a nutshell, the highly speculative and manipulated game of chance. Will a bunch of people hope something with no intrinsic value goes way up to cash out? They leave a poor soul who bought at the top or slightly greedier than they are holding their bags. This guy's such a wag dude. Honestly, it's about accumulating Bitcoin, man. You may be somewhat right about crypto, because I'm not going to say you're not, right? Like, and that's the thing about everything in life, man. Everything in life. Someone's going to come early. Look, someone buys into a neighborhood before you. Then they get to sell on everyone when the population grows, right? It's always first come, first serve, and it's been like that since the beginning of time, man. That's why your time on Earth, you should be benefiting from your time on Earth, strictly. Even just having time on Earth. That's why people scam people that are younger, because they don't have the time. They don't understand, so they take advantage. You see what I'm saying? How is it from South Africa? Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Thank you for coming on in. So look, I'm looking at Total, and Total could break out and continue to the upside, and we could see $2.6 trillion. Like, I'm trying to fight through the bearish tones here. But it does suggest the Total could get up there. All right. If this is a funky little pennant that broke back down. But it's, that being held by that 200-day moving average, that's some strength. But we do see the 50 curving back down. That's one thing too. Every single day, Bitcoin gets closer to a larger death cross. And honestly, it gets very, very close to the death cross. See the 50 coming? I want to see this 200 start to spin off, man. But that 50 is getting closer and closer to the 200. Eventually, I want them to flatline and cruise on out. Okay? Something like we saw here. See how it was coming, but it never did it. Never did it. So I'm watching this very closely. If this happens, if we get what's called a death cross, 50 crossing over down the 200, which is the red crossing, that's going to spell a dump out of this bullpen. You know, I'm being honest, guys. This is the bearish pattern here at play. 18,000. There's a real chance we go to 18,000. There's a real chance that we go to 18,000. If we break S2, it's going to 30K test. In my mind, it's, yeah, we got to hold this trend line. The bulls need to hold this trend line here. The bulls, like, see these levels? They have to be held by the bulls. Have to be. Extremely strong, right? The internet scale. Blockchain is live. A highly scalable, fast, and secure blockchain platform for distributed apps, enterprise use cases, and the new internet economy. Stake now by EGLD. I got my EGLD, baby. I'm going to stake it live and then do a video about it. Master your video about the top 5 reasons never to sell Bitcoin. Absolutely blew my mind. Great content from Felipe, man. Yo, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. Thank you very much, man. Why do people refuse to acknowledge the volatility of crypto market? Want the exponential gain with the boring, slow stock market risk? Come on, go trade options then. There you go, man. You can't make 20, 30, 50, 60x without losing 10, 20x in the process in the middle. You want to make 100x? It's going to go up and down. How do you get the gains without the pains, man? Right? I like Nano right here, forming a bit of a pennant. You see that? Getting low. 200-day moving average beginning to come through. Okay? But the market is pretty red overall. Let's take a look in the last 24 hours. What we got? Bitcoin down 4.87%. Ethereum down 5%. Thank God it pumped as much as it did. Tether up. That's how you know people are getting into Tether. I'll give you the USDT Tether dominance as well. Bitcoin, Cardano down 7.33%. Taking a bit of a hit, but it's still up 8% on the week. Remember that. Dogecoin still up 50% of the week, but down 8%. Polkadot. Right? Whole market kind of in a red slump. So today is a red day. Good way to do this, dudes and dudettes. Go to Crypto Bubbles. Go to Crypto Bubbles. Take a look at what Crypto Bubbles shows you. And you can see the whole market in a nutshell. Shared your 5 reasons with my Telegram group. They loved it. Thanks. Man, you're the best, Crypto Greg. Much respect. You know what's funny? That video is getting no views. I think it's one of 2 things. I posted it a few times and had to delete it. The algorithm picks up on that. Does not like that. So that wasn't good. Safe Moon took a hit today. Not good. The Safe Moon yacht falling off. Honestly, I'm a little worried about Safe Moon. I may just take my profits because, I don't know, man. I may not be able to hold the diamond hands on Safe Moon. R still up 32%. So R was the play. Leo, Theta, Kusama. So you can see Curve, UMA, and Celsius. Look, we talked about Celsius, right? Didn't I mention? And I talked about T-Fuel. Interesting. I gave you guys R yesterday. I gave you Theta for the last 2-3 days. I gave you Celsius consistently and kept saying Celsius. We even talked about Filecoin yesterday and went over it. So, not saying every single thing we hit, but we mentioned every single thing that's green here yesterday on the live stream. Except for OK. No, I even think I went over OKB, man, because I believe I went on, yeah. So, guys, I pay for tokenomics, okay? And I share it consistently every week with my Patreon. So if you're in my Patreon, you get the tokenomics sent to you as well. So I just want you guys to know that. I pay for the tokenomics. So for $99 a month, if you pay for my Patreon, you know, tokenomics, the one that I pay for is $39.99 a month right now. So you would have to pay $40 a month to get what I'm going to give you. And so you get all my charts, everything I'm doing, my entire portfolio. I give you exactly when and what to do. I show you what's happening with the market. I have nailed Bitcoin for the last 6 days. I really go back onto my channel and see I've nailed 5 straight trades in a row on Bitcoin. You know, we'll go 6 for 6 possibly if this one trade plays out. Okay, go back to the beginning if you're just getting in and see what's going down. I saw my curve literally 2 to 3 days ago to buy more Phantom. Arrgh. Did you get tokenomics? Token metrics. Isn't it token metrics? It's token metrics, right? Token, what's tokenomics? Is that something else? Patreon, yeah. Oh, I bought a Bobcat 300. Your view on Elon tweet? You know, I don't know why. I try not to look at the news, man. I look at the charts. Because if I look at the news, it'll get into my head and I'll start thinking it really does something. But it doesn't, man. It really doesn't. All right? The charts play out the way they're going to play out. Like, whether Elon tweets or not, we're in a bull pennant. We're in a bear pennant. So watch. We're going to... So this is what's going to happen. He's going to wake up one day and tweet, you know, Bitcoin, I miss you, but too bad. And then it's going to dump out of the bear pennant and everyone's going to say, Bitcoin, you dumped it again. It's not... I mean, it has nothing to do with him, man. Shout out to Jose Patricio. He'll tell you that. It has nothing to do with him. Let's take a look at... We're going to take a look at the dollar right now, the DXY. This is the dollar index. You want to know what's going on with the dollar, okay? Lifer. Are you going to start mining, mate? Yo, I need someone to help me mine. Like, you got to sit with me and, like, we got to break it down. I've been mining Vertcoin, other different coins, but you know what? I think mining would be a smart idea. The only thing is my house would get so loud, I'd have to build a shed and, like, insulate it. My house isn't big enough to be mining. Like, it would affect the whole family. I'd have to have it in the garage possibly, and then it gets super hot here in the summer. I don't know, man. I also like to go see my parents in the summer. They live in like a beach community kind of thing, and it's just, I don't know, man. Look at the dollar on the dailies in a cup and handle. Can't stand when my own TA goes against what I want to happen. Like, I want the dollar to dump, but this is a cup and handle for the dollar. How is the dollar in a cup and handle when they're printing trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions and trillions? How? Someone please tell me that. Please tell me that. I'm learning, going for helium. Your view on Supermoon and 100x Moon. 100x Moon, never seen them. ICP and Doge. Shout out to Ray with a $10 super chat for ICP. You know, I really want to get into ICP at 106, 107. I've been eyeing it, but I've been patiently waiting for my move. So the dollar index looks like it's in a cup and handle, but let's take a look at what the stochastics say. Stochastics are down here. I mean, they're up, saying we're going to have a downside on the dollar, which is great. So the daily oversold, even if we push up a little more, says the daily's coming down, 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 down. So far, so good. The dollar don't look strong. No strong dollar for us. Okay, so the 4-hour and the daily both oversold for the dollar. Dollar's going to dump for us. So, yeah, it looks like we're just going to continue to the downside. Look for the dollar down here at about 87. So that's my call for the dollar. All right, that's going to affect the stock market too. Stocks are gonna go up really big when the dollar tanks, because people are gonna have no chance but to get into anything else but the dollar. See what happens? They have no chance. It's like a sinking boat. They have no chance. Use the Bobcat 300. This dumb situation. Which Coinbase should I invest? Which Coinbase should I invest? Yet it has nothing to do with Elon. I posted the Telegram showing you there was a dump from one man, 35.82 on Binance. There you go, man. There you go. Let's take a look at ICP and Doge. Thank you for the super chat from Ray. $10 super chat. Much respect to you, Ray. Much respect to Ray with the $10 super chat. Flash your name, flash your screen. ICP and Doge. Let's take a look at what's going down. Now, ICP, man. It was 105, 106, 108, something like that. And I was like, that's where I would get in. And I actually gave a call for it. So let's take a look at what's going down. When I see something running out of room like this, only a matter of time, right? So let me move my trade. So look, I thought to get in there, and look, it just kept going sideways forever. It seems too many people are holding this, don't want to sell it off. This is interesting. Look, and then that's crazy. It had the breakout. It broke the long-term resistance only to come back in. So now this is what we got going on for ICP. It's got to come down a little bit more, too, to become oversold on the 4-hour. All right. Mining versus buying, holding for a year. What would you rather do? And what would be the rationale behind it, my man? That's a lot of questions. That MATIC Phantom ADA, potential winning dream. hey, I'm in all three, and I love all three, and I'm holding all three, baby. So, yeah, let's do it. Let's do them. I mean, hypothetically, if you had a big house that the farm wasn't being affected that much by the extra news, oh, I would mine in a second. Dude, I would do it all. I would do everything possible. Why not? I'm a guy, Murphy's Law. You never know. The trading could go belly up. Then you get into the mining. I mean, trading should never go belly up, though, because you can always short the market. You can always pull money out of the market, no matter what. As long as you're smart and calculated, there's money to be made in this market. So, they should fix this long. There should be a better one. Someone write me a script for a better one that's like more, it has more space in it. So your stop loss should be right at that line. Really close to the bone. And then you open the price here. So you can't see the gap. At 8% stop loss, you enter right here. 114% gains. Right? Back to this previous high here. I even say you go up there, right to there. That's where I would begin to take profit. Right? So the internet computer, right? ICP is going to be amazing. I mean, there was the hype. The hype train took this thing down, though. Look at that. If you definitely like the project, you believe in it, I'd still wait for the 4-hour to get down oversold region. And the daily, you can't even map the daily out. You got not much information. Extremely oversold on the 1 hour. So if you were going to enter this, this would be where you enter. For sure. Am I getting into the trade? Nah. If you'd like to get in, there's the call, but I'm not making an official call at the moment. Let's hit these gems, Liver. LOL. When you buy ICP at 420. Yeah, just picked up some H-bar on this mini dip. You never knew a baller. Never knew you are a baller. Yeah, dog. Rufus Stylers. So much support for joining Patreon. Much to learn. Lifer teaches 24/7. Thank you. I appreciate that. This channel is Crypto Gold. Been watching crypto YouTube for a while, and this is by far the best analysis, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. That means the world to me. You saying stuff like that. I keep all these. I take screenshots of this stuff, guys. The people have spoken, man. The people have spoken. Let's take a look at Doge. Double super chatting. But it's okay. He's getting 2 for 1 over there. Shiba Inu future? I don't know. 24K, that's not bad for ETH. I believe ETH will get to 24K. Or you mean 2400? No. Doge. Tether, baby. Okay. Holding 36. It just gave back the whole pump he gave. So he tweeted, gave it a pump 2 days ago. Gave it all back. All right. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do whenever I get into a trade. Honestly, I'm looking at something kind of crazy here, but look at this. I don't see anyone hasn't done this yet. This could be a giant head and shoulders for Doge, man. All right. And that, my friends, does not spell fun. I don't know, man. I'm seeing some signs that this market is looking pretty sketch. I'm seeing signs this market is looking pretty sketch. Bitcoin starting to pump. Kishu Uno dots. Thoughts on Uno? Shiba Inu. You know what? I love Uno, and I'm just upset that I didn't get in on the low at 43 cents when I knew I should have. It was a coin that I really knew was going to rock. I drew it in the cup and handle, and then I just took my daughter to soccer and all that, and so I sat with my wife today, and I'm like, we got to make a better plan so that I don't miss anything. I can't miss anything, man. Get a whiteboard, write it down on the whiteboard, man. You know, and I have a whiteboard too. What do you think about TRX? I just do so many things at once. But so I don't, Doge looks like it could, that's sketchy right there. It really is. You can see Doge back down here at 7 cents. Just saying, like, that's a real possibility right there. It really is. Okay, that's one bearish idea for Doge. Then you could go the other way with it. Look, I could really play with your mind now. Watch this. This is going to be crazy. See, like, this is feel-good music. This is love music. This is music that inspires you. Like, when someone was making this music, you could feel how they felt. They were like, yeah, 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 you know? I make myself laugh. Whatever, man. They say laughter keeps you young. They say laughter keeps the pain away, man. So I'm going to keep laughing as much as I can. And I'm going to be a kid for the rest of my life. I refuse to grow up, man. I'm a Toys R Us kid. I shouldn't brand myself, though. I'm a beautiful being of the earth. We are all beings. We are all God's creatures, man. We're all God's creatures. Did you say thank you today for something, guys? Did you say thank you today? All right. Check out Diamond Hold pumping hard. Check out Diamond Hold pumping hard. Good morning. Can you check out Mina? You guys love that Mina. A lot of people going on Mina. Gustavo, you've talked about Mina many times. Sick outfit today, bro. I'm liking the haircut. What jersey is that? This is St. John's. I went to St. John's University. The beast in the east, baby. St. John's, man. St. John's. Get that neckline. I can walk on my hands, baby. Attitude of gratitude every single day, baby. Wake up and say thank you. What have you said thank you today? I'm going to say right now, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to YouTube for providing this platform. As much as everyone wants to say it, it's an algorithm that's running beautifully for me. Thank you so much, YouTube, for running your algos the way you run them. Thank you for all the people that hit the like button who help the algorithm. And thank you to all my subscribers and all the people who are viewing me every single day. I appreciate you guys. You make the stream what it is. You make it fun to be here. You make me wake up every morning ready to rock. I'm like excited to start my day with you guys every single day. So thank you very much, except for Saturday and Sunday, but I still start my day with you guys because I jump right into the Telegram group and I'm there with my lifers. Tesla moving down. So we short Bitcoin now. Tesla moving down, so we short Dogecoin now. It's funny. So you short Doge against Bitcoin. Too many people that haven't liked yet. Yeah, no, I don't get it, man. We got 241 people, 178 likes. Help me get these likes up to 200 likes, baby. 200 likes, man. Come on. And guys, YouTube makes me beg you for the likes. I don't like begging for the likes. If I had it my way, I'd say not a word. Tare, you just gained a new subscriber. Shout out to Tare Johnson. Much respect to you, my friend. I'm new here, and I'm already loving your energy, man. Yo, if you're an energy person, if you like a good vibe, if you want to change your life, if you believe you can change your life, come on into the live stream, man. Get on in here. Love your content, mate. Keep it up. You'll be huge one day. Any chance you could look at Silo, Pugly Git. The way you asked nicely, number one, complimented me, then asked nicely, and then gave a super chat. That is a classy way to be. So look, Bitcoin, I see Doge breaking to the upside right now. Look, it's if I look at the TA, Doge is oversold on the 1 hour. Look for a nice little Doge scalp. Just trade Doge in the 1 hour to the upside. That's all you got to do. Trade it to 45 and get out. 36 to 45. Don't play yourself. Okay, so let me show you. You're going to play Doge from 36 to 45. You can get in here at the bottom of the pattern. And you're going to sell right here. 42 even, before the herd. Maybe a little before the herd. You're going to sell at 43. You sell at 44 on the dot. And not a second less. 43, 47 on the dot. Okay, you're going to make 19%. I'm going to scooge up here right there for a 4% stop loss. You're going to make a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio on that trade alone. Okay, so that's the idea right there. All right, you want to make I'll make the trade live for you guys. A Doge scalp. Just a quick little Doge scalp. Nothing crazy. Just playing the TA. Just playing the TA the way the TA says it should be played. Is the price in a bullish pattern? Yes. Is the MACD turning bullish with the pink line coming out with the blue line curving? Yes. Is the stochastics below the dotted line? Yes. Is the RSI in a bullish pattern close to oversold or at least below 50? Yes. Huh. Are there any bullish divergences? You know what? Yes. This swings down really hard. This does not swing down as hard. This is flat. That is bullish divergence established on the RSI compared to the price. We should get a beautiful pump to the upside here for Doge. You could at least pattern trade it up to the top of the pattern here to 38. You see what I'm saying? So look, now I'm going to give you a live trade, which nobody does on this. Nobody does live trades. Nobody does it. Very rare, very, 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 very rare. Okay, let's take a look. And I'm telling you, these BTC pairs of the strong coins is what you really want to look at right now. What you really want to look at. We could look at Doge BTC as well. Hold on, I want to take a look at Doge BTC. I mean, this is coming down for the retest. Looking pretty healthy. I mean, that's the breakout by the retest off of the previous support line, right? And then you got all the moving averages coiled up tight right there, and the 21 starting to make a move. That's bullish. And we're oversold on the 4 hour. Doge BTC honestly looks like a good trade. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take Doge BTC right now. I'm dead serious. You're looking at me like I got two heads. I'm taking Doge BTC. Do I have any USDT? Do I have any BUSD? Oh, I'm in the wrong place. I have any USDT? Oh yeah, I got boatloads. I got a boatload of it. And I got some BUSD too. I sold my VChain and I'm still holding on 11 grand, waiting to get back into the market. I sold my cake, I'm still holding. I'm sitting on 60K. I have not entered the market yet. I'll be honest. I made little trades. Obviously, I made other trades. I have other allocation that I could use, but I'm waiting on this. So ETH, BUSDT. I don't think I can get Doge BUSD. They should have the Doge BUSDT pair though. They do, BUSD. So this is going to be the same chart, but looking pretty bullish too. This looks even more bullish, the BTC pair. Doge sketches me out a little bit. So I'd rather trade my BUSD. And I'm just going to make the trade. It's not going to be a huge trade. So I'm just going to show you exactly how to make this trade, though. Cup and handle, though. Breaking to the upside. That could be extremely dangerous. I mean, that's a cup and handle for Doge. And then, we're going to sell way before when this top gets confirmed. So we're not going to worry if this is a head and shoulder, which it probably could be. So, okay. And we're going to have a stop loss of 4%. So worst comes to worst, we're going to lose like 25 bucks. So look, I'm going to show you how to make a trade right now. If you're new, this is for you newbies. I'm in 3 commas. I like using 3 commas. All right, so I'm BUSD here, 550 bucks. I'm going to put it into Doge, okay? I'm already holding some Doge. So look, 550 into Doge at the limit order price, okay? Set take profit, set stop loss, right from the chart. Stop loss, 4.38%. Exactly like the chart says. Right below that line, I could shave it a little bit. 5.43. Okay. Take profit. Okay, take profit's going to be right there at about 19%. I know we're going to stall out right there on a wick and then kind of fall around. So I'll even take profit a little earlier. That's going to be precisely at 44.1. So I'm going to take profit at 43.54. 43.54. Okay? We're going to enter at 36.18. We're going to give them the ask. We're not going to stress it. We're going to go with 500 bucks. We're going to risk 18%. We're going to gain 18. We're going to try to make 100 bucks, but we're going to risk like 20 bucks. You see that? 5-to-1 risk reward ratio. I'm teaching you guys how to trade here. Using my own money to teach you how to trade. And bam. 200 likes. What an amazing liker, fam. Hot cross, baby. KuCoin love, baby. And there's the Doge trade. It's live right there. Just made a live trade in Doge. And look, there's my MATIC BTC trades. One is down 100 bucks. There's my ADA BTC trade. Still struggling a little bit. Audio BTC down too as well. Okay. So there you go. That's the call I just took right there. Bullish divergence, 200-day moving average, oversold, everything that I like to see. I'm taking positional strength from this movement with the wicks just occurring. Now we can make our move. I teach this all the time. I talk about it all the time. We'll see how it plays out. And again, I could get stopped out in 2 seconds, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Doge to 69, actually, F Doge. What are you using to trade? I'm using 3 commas, guys. In the link below, please check out 3 commas. I can connect all my exchanges in one place. I can see everything that's going on in the market. I have all the coins that I have right here in my dashboard from every single thing. Look, shows me my allocation, shows me what I got in there. It's such an easy, nice way to handle multiple accounts in one place. 3 commas, man. If you would like to join 3 commas, I do have a referral link in the description below. It does help out the channel, so come on in, help me out. Right now, I'll copy paste my referral link and I'll put it into the comment section below. It's only $14 a month, and what it does is unbelievable. So shout out to the 53 bones. You guys helped me pay for my own subscription, so I appreciate that. I appreciate that. All the referrals that I got, 56 referrals, 900 visitors, 56 referrals, 17% trial to subscriptions, which I don't know what that means, but, oh, trials. Oh, so 17% of the people took a trial and then turned it into a subscription. And you guys gave me 53 bucks, so much appreciated, man. I will thank you guys for that. Thank you very much for everyone that signed up 3 comments through my referral link. Really, really nice of you guys. I never even thought about it. I never even realized that that would come in, and that's awesome, man. Much appreciated. Check out 3380 Bitcoin Resistance. FMAL. Let's take a look at Doge real quick. I mean, at BTC. Yeah. All right. Can you explain a good strategy with stop losses? I think I just did, like, live. Like, I think you just saw it, like, live. You see what I'm saying? Live. And honestly, I'll do it in depth on a tutoring session, man. I'll tutor you. We will go one-on-one, honestly, and take the tutoring, because I really feel like once I get to 20, 30, 40, 50,000 subs, man, I'm going to be so busy making content and doing my thing for my subscribers. I don't know if I'm going to have the time for tutoring. I really don't. So I would really advise you take the tutoring when you can, man, because there's going to be a time where I'm probably going to have to do group things, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do, and as much as I love it and I think it's great, I just will not have the time. Like 3 people a day is 3 hours of my day, and I really need the time. I feel like my day just disappears every single day. Why is Dogecoin even down? Dude, just because something gets listed doesn't mean it goes up, man. Can you look for the entry point? Actually, when something gets listed, it usually dumps. You know, it dumps, but it'll come to fruition later on. Like that listing will play off 4 or 5 years from now. See what I'm saying? 4 or 5 years from now. You want to look at SHIB? Let's take a look at Shiba Inu for the tether pair here. Down in the dumps, man. It's at the bottom. That's a bottom buy. See where it comes down right there? That's a bottom buy. Touch, touch, touch. Whenever it touches it, that's a bottom buy for Shiba Inu right now. Honestly, hold it, and I mean, 541% gains coming back. I'm not a fan of this. I don't really even want to talk about it. How's that? I got in way back in the day. I made $4,000. I put $300. I sold it for $4,000. It would have been 70 grand. So, yes, I'm a little sour about Shiba, because I could have made $66,000 more if I had just waited about 40 hours. 40 hours would have been the most money I ever made in a day, probably. But hey, I would have made 60 grand in a day, 70 grand in a day. But it is what it is. Does Elon Musk control the market? No, I don't believe he does. The market does what it does. You can see, if Elon controlled the market, how was I able to trade it so well? I used the TA. Don't let them get in your head, guys. Yo, Verge BTC is starting to make a bit of a pump. Profi BTC. I want you guys to focus on getting as much Bitcoin as you can for the next 2 years. Even forget the bull run. Just focus on getting as much Bitcoin as you can. Most promising coin in the market right now is Fortune Cookie. Lottery system, Fortune Swap coming, Casino Ape coming, amazing community. Devs, Cookie Gang, Fortune Cookie V2. Check out this one. Thank you, Lifer. Don't want a free ask, man. Damn, you're a nice guy, man. Appreciate it. Love your content, man. Keep it up. You'll be huge one day. Thank you very much. Much respect to you. Shout out to the Super Chat. Shout out to Al Crypto. What's your TA on Parsiq? Bring in a real gem. Thanks, Lifer. Love. You know, I bought Parsiq at 19 cents. I like talking about Parsiq all the time. Parsiq, one of my favorite gems. I believe it's as a use case. It's going to be a big coin. Shout out to Elio Trades for putting Parsiq on my radar. I definitely did buy Parsiq after he put it out to me. I bought it on Uniswap back in late August or early September. Parsiq. Now it eventually got onto KuCoin, which I thought was huge, and I thought we'd get way more of a pump. Parsiq has been all the way at like $2 since then, but look, it's been dumped on ever since. Look, it got to KuCoin and got dumped on. Now it's in a bit of a funky pattern. Damn, now I'm only holding a 4x, and I was up so big in this many times. That's why you got to take your profits, man. I didn't take profits in Parsiq. Sounds like long-term hold. The market's looking great. I regret that now. I really do. I really, really do. I wish I had taken even more. I took profits, but I wish I had taken even more profits, to be honest. So take profits for me, guys. If you're up in a trade right now, take some profits. If you shorted something, if you long something, take some profits. So look, it looks like we're going to form this kind of strange pattern, honestly, very strange pattern. Parsiq on KuCoin. And you don't have a lot to go here. I'm going to look at Parsiq for the ETH pair. That's really, you're going to have to look at the ETH pair. Why did all of a sudden say I couldn't find it? That's so strange, man. This is going to be the best chart. And you can see it made so much money against ETH. It ripped up. This thing's been battling itself for a long time. Wow, they say it's at the bottom against the ETH pair right now. So this thing got beat down to the ground. Had some nice movement. Definitely a degenerator. Kind of a pump and dump token if you think, like, I gotta be honest with it. As much as I think it's a good project, like, damn, it got beat down. Check the title of the latest video from Crypto Revolution. Just uploaded. Shout out to Crypto Revolution, man. My man Chris, Bitcoin Chris, my dude, man. One of the hardest working people on YouTube. Definitely showed me how to work my butt off, man. Showed me that if you want it, you need to get it. You need to take it as hard. You need to push as hard as you can. There's nothing else, you know. Boom, Bitcoin boom soon. China hype over. Don't miss this move. June 2x coin pick. Funny, man. Shout out to Crypto Revolution, man, my dude. But this was yesterday, right? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I think BNB could become bigger than Amazon. I believe that. I've been a strong lover of BNB for a long time, man. IOTA got some news as well. COTI, guys, remember, I'm in COTI BTC. You know that. And I've been showing you guys that trade numerous times. Let me show you my trade for COTI BTC. I like COTI BTC. I've been in it for a while, man. I'm using that to make Bitcoin. We're going to bank on these coins, man. Going through this tough time, but it's only a matter of time till we bank on these coins, man. Only a matter of time. Critical move coming. Steve will dot ready to battle Elon Musk over Bitcoin. Another BTC shakeout. It's possible, man. Most promising coin in the market right now is Fortune Cookie. You think so? I think I might pass on that cookie. But we'll see. We'll see. COTI BTC, where are you, baby? Even that. Anyway, moving forward, man. I'm getting caught up in other stuff, but actually, COTI BTC right now, I'm only up 12 bucks. Got in at 631. Let's take a look at COTI BTC. See, this trade has been funky. It's gone up and down numerous times. You see that? But dude, I see this as a cup and handle, regardless. Like, these are cups. So look at COTI right now, here in a beautiful cup, right? Bam. Let's see the falling wedge kind of doing its thing. Dude, it's Friday too, man. What a beautiful day to be alive. It's Friday, man. Like, to be alive to lose money is a blessing. There's someone who's dead right now that can't even lose money. Isn't that crazy? Losing money is a blessing. How funny is that? Because it means you were alive. Like, you were alive to lose the money. Some people aren't alive right now. Like, someone died in a car accident last night. Like, I don't know who, but someone did. Go look at the news, right? Something horrible happened to a family. Someone went through a lot of craziness, man. Patreon power, man. Shout out to Kata Slice. Thank you so much for coming on in. Who that disliked the video and why? Get the F out. Sam Rules. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Oh, there's secret haters. I got a bunch of secret haters. Don't think I don't have a bunch of haters. I got a bunch of secret haters. Come on, every day, hit the dislike button. It's like it's an uncool thing to do at this point, but they do it anyway. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We're out at 11:30, 15 more minutes. Gonna keep rocking with you guys. So we're gonna throw these gems at you. We're gonna take a look at how is HNT doing. Remember, we got in at 1366. Things are probably back to 14. Yeah, that's why you got to take profits all the time in these crypto space. But I think it's still holding this top trend line, which is very interesting, and it's still holding this support region. So here, tell me I didn't leave like the zoom button on this whole time or something crazy. No, I have not. Excellent. Okay, cool. All right. What do you guys think of the hair? Completely different look from yesterday, right? It's like, that guy ain't even the same. You know, what do you guys think of the hair? You got that big forehead, man. I've headbutted a lot of people. Nah, not a lot, like 5 people in my life. They've gotten the bomb. We want you at DNU at charts and fortune cookies. We want you at DN at charts and fortune cookies. Shay Payne Ong. Wait, what's good price to DCA into ADA? You want me to go over fortune cookies, man? Nice cut, G. Thanks, free the bots. What's a good price to DCA into ADA, please? Anything between $1.20 and $1.40. I'll be trying to get into ADA if I could, if I was so lucky. Celsius BTC hit the target and got wicked right back down. Had you sold my target, you would have nailed it. So shout out to anyone that took the call. Gave you this call. Bam, 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 bam. Celsius BTC starting to make a big move, continuing to the upside. There's also the Celsius USD, the Celsius USD call as well, which is on. No, I thought it was on Bittrex. Yeah, there it is on Bittrex. My wife cut my hair just like yours. Did your wife cut your hair? You know, my wife cut my hair 3 days ago, then told me she ruined it and told me to go get a haircut. That's exactly what happened. And I'm not even talking anything, babe. It's true. It's just the truth. She said she gave me a haircut, and then she said I messed it up. Definitely messed it up. So there's my call for Celsius. We were in at 660, 655, 640, and boom, we're on now. 777. Look at 7777777. Come on now. If that's not a sign. Quadruple sevens. Dude. And it's coming off a wick, off of the retest where you could have got in at 738. Celsius continuing to the upside, man. Doing its thing. Nice video the other day about not selling BTC. Thank you very much. My girl wanted to cut my hair, and I told her, hell nah. I cut my own hair. Please check out Donut and Fortune Cookie websites and roadmap. Big project coming. Donut chart in 3 days. Gonna pump real hard. Maybe it will. This message is held for review. Stellar Gold. That song got a little louder than the others. It definitely was louder. Good call on MATIC today. We'll be rocking that. Kid Slice. Hey, we'll see what happens, man. Well, tell me if it's a good call once you sell it. Nothing's guaranteed until it's over, man. Remember that. I'm watching this really closely, this fund BTC, man. This unification. I've seen it pump really hard. And it's kind of oversold on the daily and ready to rock again. Like, watch out for this thing. It's on Polonian X. But this thing did some serious pumpage. So I just want to put it on your radar. Write it down. Put it on your whitey board. 131% gains. Better project MATIC versus Cardano. Honestly, that's hard to say. I think MATIC has way more room to grow. Has a way smaller market cap. Do you forget how to trade yourself? Did someone teach you? Or a combo of the two? Oh, definitely a combo of the two. I joined a trading group. I had a master. I had a mentor. I had someone show me the way. No one's going to learn how to trade on their own. It's impossible, in my opinion. Unless you're a complete savant, like, even then, like, you need someone to show you the way. Also, like, it's just like anything in life. Someone who's done it before is going to show you the way. You know what I'm saying? Is Phantom still going to be a big player? Yes, I do believe it. Yeah, Donut has a new project releasing 3 days. Should be a big hit. Donut. You guys are Donut fiends. So I get that's where you all came from. You guys were pushing on me. I got to hit 333 likes for the market to pump. I know, right? What do you think about Elon Musk? I like Elon. I think he's a nice dude. I think he's an interesting person. I think he should chill with the tweets. Like, I think he should just kind of remove himself because he doesn't realize he's causing a lot of sales issues. Because I was really ready to buy a Tesla, and now I'm being dead honest. And even though I still like him and I think he's cool, I just know, like, I don't know, the aura isn't there anymore. Like, I don't want to drive the car that, like, that crapped all over cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just interesting to me. Bitcoin fell nearly 70%, hitting the lows under 36K. Silo, I just figured out that crypto is social money. It really is social money. That's the idea. Elon Musk versus Jack Ma. That's the idea, right? Look at MDX, man. I sold half of my cakes for it. Free the bots. He knows what he's doing. Good on you for not buying Tesla. What are the upcoming crypto events? I also heard that the Tesla is not a great car. It's sad to say. Like, I was all about it, and I heard it's just not a great car. Like, you know, and you know what? 70% of people that buy an electric car go back to a gas car. That's what I read, man. Let's find out if that's true, but I believe it is. Like, 70% of people... And now I feel like I'm like repping the gas company, so I don't want to do that. But a surprising numbers of EV owners switch back to gas power, study says. The study looks at owners in California who found charging was a huge factor in people driving EV lifestyle. As much of the world works to pivot away from fossil fuels, right? Natural gas. It says 18% of electric vehicle owners switch back, only 18%. For plug-in hybrid owners, 20% of them flip back to a car. So I'm wrong. I just gave false data. But we don't even know where this data came from. So I repeated something like my wife said, and that wasn't true. So I can't repeat things that I hear in the house. I got to be careful. 20 to 30%. The major takeaway from EV flip-flopping is the land. You know what? I still think it's cool to own an electric car. I really do. So what? You got to go out of your way. Tesla, every third car here in SoCal. I know, right? They want to sell your coins so that huge corporations and hedge funds can get a lower entry. I believe that too. But don't get into like diamond handing everything to the downside, to all the way till it goes down, to nothing. So this thing looks like it pumps and dumps a lot. So be careful. Get in for this and get out for the pump. I mean, all they have is a Reddit website. They don't even have a website. They got a Reddit. Look at this. How to claim donuts. Donut are no longer centralized. Backed by smart contracts and developed by Mod. Donuts are now ERC20 tokens that own and control on the Ethereum blockchain. Register to earn donuts for your contributions. It's time to stop calling crypto nerds virgins. Everyone has been effed by Elon Musk today. Shout out to Irene Zhao. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. I've worked intensely with several crypto companies on marketing and content creation. To this point, Mark, I'm going to challenge you. Name one thing that crypto does better than its competitor in any sector. Mark Cuban. Funny. If you're selling your crypto because of a tweet by a billionaire, then you're playing this game wrong. Lark Davis. Tweets that hurt other people's finances are not funny and irresponsible. CZ. The guy she tells you not to worry about. Me studying all the charts and indicators in existence. Elon tweets right through the thing. That's pretty funny. But guys, I called the short on it before Elon tweeted. So how was that like? I called the short even before Elon did any tweets. I have no qualms. Google will start allowing crypto companies to advertise to users on their platforms. Much bigger deal than most realize. That's going to be a huge deal for me. I'm going to be able to advertise on Google now. Wrong donut, my dude. Donuts chart. DN nut. Where is it though? This is the actual donut? Bro. I don't know, man. You guys tell me. You guys got nothing going on, man. I need losing a lot today. Should I take a rest or trade again? If you're losing a lot today, take a break. If you're having trouble trading today, take a break. I need advice. Losing a lot today. Should I take a break, bro? Here, website is here. They won't let you post that website, so you have to you have to join me. Cummies is rocking today, bro. Really? I still own Cummies, so I like to hear that, actually. Feel kind of weird even saying that, but it's trending, and so is Shiba. Dude, up 37% and booming. But I got into Cummies at like 15, so I'm down. Like, we got to wait a little bit. KSM pumps, yeah. Donut chart. CRV is pumping too. Yes, it is. Well, anything with finance, with, you know, kind of like anything that has like some type of residual DeFi income, I believe is going to be great. They keep saying this one, but no link. Yeah, but they can't post the link, so they have to @ me, @crypto_lifer, and they have to send me a personal message and say, this is the link. Bro, it's held for review. You know what's? It's just these are a bunch of donut guys that came into our room. So we could just say we don't want to go over donut right now and watch them freak out. Watch this, ready? Guys, we're not going to do donut. I just, you know what? It's taking too long. I don't want to get into donut right now. I'm all set. Watch them freaking out. They're going to freak out. But we came here and you're supposed to shill every project that we tell you to shill. And if you don't shill it, then we're going to yell at you and call you names. Elon tweeted Canada, USA. Nasa falsa fisha fata bishop. What is that all for? Anyway, Mustang Sally. You're supposed to go over the coin we want you to go over, and if you don't, I'm gonna not subscribe to you, and I'm gonna hit the dislike button. No donuts for you. Yo, Crypto Greg, man, you always funny, man. You always say the funniest things, bro. Oh, man. What do you think about the future of DeFi, Lifer? OnlyFans, but on the blockchain. Companies is legit and will fly. Female lead dev, TikTok influencer, devs from previous crypto projects. Also, a lot of famous models on board. We're just trying to help you. Maybe you are. Maybe you are. Who knows? I'm just playing games, man. I can't have fun. I'm just having fun. But honestly, I googled donut crypto and I didn't get it. I got nothing. So I don't know, like. And guys, if you really want it, find me on Twitter. I'm on Telegram, and send me a personal message with the actual link. I'll hit the link and I'll show it. But I'm not gonna run around and spend my time trying to find some coin. You know, you call that Bitcoin short on the Patreon channel beautifully. I played it exactly as you called it, and I'm up over 54% right now. Look at that. That's why you guys join the Patreon. Since I met an investor, Augur, I am a loser. Gotta have fun. Football stars. Do you take financial advice from BitBoy Crypto? No, never, for any reason. Just use your 3 commas, brother. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Much respect to you, man. Yeah, so guys, there's a referral link as we're ending the live stream. Check it out. We have tutoring right here. Book an appointment. It's Eastern time. Why does that say UTC4? What does that mean? That's probably world time, right? But Americans don't care about the world. Like, yeah, UTC time 4. So, smart man, whoever did that. And that's I have a guy running my channel. He's so detailed, super smart, way more aware than I am about all the little details and when it comes to things on my channel. And he makes sure it's up to speed, man. Boom, this is going to change the game. Who's BitBoy? I know, right? American is the world, man. Love those losses, though. Look, 690 on CHG. I bought CHG March 19th. I'll hold it till the cows come home. I'll tell you that right now. I'm not afraid to show losses. I have some losses. I'm not perfect. I bought TVK months ago. Tanked on me. I won't let it go, though. But these are like, I put like a grand or two in them. Right? It is what it is. Ups, down $600 really doesn't faze me much, right? If I was down 10, 30 grand, then that would be beat. That wouldn't be fun at all. You would not see me as a happy man. They won't move the camera. I've been trying to see if my boat is on the mooring that it's supposed to be on. I got to go check my boat. But you know, this channel's stopping me from checking my boat. How can I check my boat and do the channel? I'm going to have to do my channel on the boat one day. Does anyone know a good service where I could keep internet anywhere in the world? Like, I need service where I have internet. Like, I need internet I can plug right into my laptop and just connect. So I can do my live stream for anywhere in the world. That's what I need. No, NuCypher trending. A big new listing on Binance. Yeah, man, it was, it started to boot. We talked about that at the beginning of the show. Can you look at Tron once? I was wondering if that BSC pad news could be good for it. It probably is. Hey, bro, can you check out Football Stars? Starlink, yeah. See, that's another thing. When people tell me about a coin, I get hooked on trying to find it. When I can't find it, it slows the show down. It really does. It really does. So, either write out the link for me Or do, I don't know what you could, yeah, write, like, do www, write out the link without www dot. Just say, hey, put a w dot in front of this and that. You know what I'm saying? But find me a quick way for me to go over the coin. Don't make me deep dive like that. I mean, I don't mind deep diving into a coin, but don't make me deep dive just to get to the coin. You asked, I sent the direct links to your Twitter. Okay, that's legit. Follow me at Twitter, at CryptoLifer33, and I get to plug the Twitter, so you're legit. Okay? I like what you just said, and I like what you did. So let's take a look at the Twitter right here. Adapt to your environment. We are in choppy range. Don't get married to low entries because it could be very easily dumped lower. Don't get complacent with short-ranging highs because we're in negative funding. Take profits aggressively until the ranges are confirmed broken. You see what I'm saying? We don't know where we're going. We could dump to 18K. We could maybe pump to 50. We're stuck. So right now, whenever you're in a trade, you get in, you get out. 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 I'll say it again. You get in, you get out. Okay? This is one of my mentors. All right? Jacob Canfield mentored me. I followed him. I was in his little personal group for a long time. Good friend of mine. Really good dude. Much respect to him. You know? He's good friends with Crypto Love. He saw that me and Crypto Love linked up. And you could see the other day, he's like, happy you two guys linked up. You know? And right here, look. Expert trader reveals. Boom, boom, boom. And I retweeted that. But right here. Replying to Crypto Lifer. Crypto Love is my boy. Happy you guys connected. You know what I'm saying? But Jacob's the man, dude. Much respect to him. And much respect to the whole crypto community. Shout out to Crypto Love, man. Sending that love. Look, he put my entire show banner on his show. 200,000 subs, man. He goes on BitBoy like once a week or more sometimes, depending on it. He gave BitBoy's first big interview in cryptocurrency. People don't realize that. Crypto Love gave BitBoy his first big interview. Now I got interviewed by Crypto Love. Could I become the biggest channel ever? I'm just saying, that's how the biggest channel in the world right now in cryptocurrency started. It started through Crypto Love. Crypto Love gave him the interview, and then from there, boom, 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 boom. Crypto Love had like 50,000 subs at the time, maybe 60,000. BitBoy had like 5 or 10. He was no one really knew him. And boom, look what happened. Verizon offers a USB global modem, USB, when traveling for work and have had great success. A USB global modem. I sent PooCoin to your DM if you want to look at it. Hey, there you go. So let's look at my DM messages. You don't have any messages selected. Sincerely appreciate you tracking my tweets here and engaging. Okay, I don't even know. So look, you said you sent a message. There's no message in here. So no message. So there you go. This is like the second time someone said they sent me a direct message on Twitter, but there was no message in there. Okay, what are the upcoming crypto events? I mean, June 30th is a big deal for Theta Mainnet. COTI also has really big news. Late June is a lot of news coming out for a lot of different coins, so I want you to pay attention to late June. Follow me at CryptoLifer33. I'd really appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it. Okay? Never FOMO. I like that. I like that. Crypto Amsterdam. And he's got the donkey thing. Funny, his Juro wallet, May 17th. Yeah, his Juro wallet tanked. He knows that, right? He lost half a percentage. IRS wants to give you 51,000. Do they really? Look, there's Donut right there. Or that could be Bake. Everyone's in these tiny little crap coins, man. Sending love. Wow, much weekly CA earn. Check out Diamond Hole, bro. What are the upcoming crypto events? I don't get how I lose the stream. ADHD's a bitch. Hey Sam, what do you think about Chia? Word out, Chia is the green Bitcoin. You know what? Anyone's gonna run on that scenario right now. But honestly, only Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and nothing else is Bitcoin. So nothing is the green Bitcoin. Everyone's all over this Chia seed, Chia. I kind of looked at it. I wanted to get into it. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Guys, I want you to follow Ralph Smart. I really do. I want you guys to follow Ralph Smart, man. I'm talking about him right now. I watch this guy every morning, and You know what? Follow Ralph Smart, man. I'm onto him, dude. I like what he's doing, dude. He's dope. So, there you go. Ralph Smart, man. Check him out, man. Check him out, man. Super positive guy. You might have seen his face online. You might have known him. 1.9 million subscribers, man. Doing his thing on YouTube, man. And he brought it from the ground up. Nice haircut, sir. I just looked at the donut chart. A lot of pump and dumping. Yeah, I'm all set, man. We're done. We're done. We're not gonna waste our time with that nonsense. We're sticking to good projects. We're making good gains. We're on our way to the top. So let's take a look. What was the other coin that I wanted to talk about here? Celsius. Celsius looks just... How is it stuck at 777s? That doesn't make any sense. They must not be getting data. Something's going on here. Look. That's a little strange, right? It's in the same place it was before. It's kind of weird. Did they halt trading? Or I don't know. That's... Now, I also like CRV. Let's take a look at CRV. Curve Finance. Kind of like a Celsius idea here, you know? So CRV was breaking out of this cup and handle. About to do its thing. Just never made it. This is when everything just fell off. The whole market was booming, man. Every cup and handle was breaking out. And then this one just... bam, and fell off, you know? CRVs, it did pump. But guys, these aren't significant pumps. They're not breaking support regions. You get what I'm saying? Let's get back to Bitcoin. 36.8. Let's look at the 7-minute chart. Why do I look at the 7-minute? It just gives me the most market structure I can see possible. And I still see this inverted head and shoulder breaking to the upside, man. I play bullish patterns the way they're supposed to be played. It's just kind of a simple game. Like, you just don't, what's called play yourself. Like, you don't go, you see what it is, you give it what it is. Very simple. You put a stop loss and you take a stab at it. And you sell the previous resistance, which would be either here or there. Okay. Hey, Sam, what do you think about Chia? Word out Chia is the green BTC. Didn't someone just write that? It's like the second time I've seen that. I heard you say it, man. I didn't answer it for a freaking reason. I actually did answer it. Me and Pat got the Elon Doge pool, 999 million APY. Crazy. That's insane. But you know what? It doesn't matter, bro. Guys, the APY doesn't matter when you make it in a coin that's going to go to zero. I can give you 999 million APY in sand. And you can get all the sand you want, but like, you see what I'm saying, dude? I stopped, like, it's all smoke and mirrors in these APY farms, man. I'm being honest. It's all smoke and mirrors in the farms. Wow, it is a very red day. Even the BTC pair, like 1-inch BTC up 7%. Profi BTC, Verge BTC. Okay. Fund. This coin looks interesting to me, man. I'm telling you, man. This unification. I keep bringing it up to you guys, but something about it, man. Something about it. It's in a cup and handle. See? It's been holding really well, even though it did a bit of a dump. It's been holding well. It's running out of room here. Fund BTC on Poloniex, man. Sand can be used to make a beach. Personal beach, not bad. My man, I'm here. Thanks for waiting. You can start now. What do you think about Chia? Sir, blessed a lot. My man, I'm here. Thanks for waiting. You can start now. I don't know what he's saying. Anyway, shout out to Sir, blessed a lot. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time, guys. That is your time. Thank you for leaving a comment. Thank you for being a part. So cool, man. So people are putting that Nebra mining, man. Yo, if you want to build a computer, if you need to learn how to start your own computer, because I'm all about building my own computers and doing my thing, check out this guy right here. Jay's 2 cents, man. He's got 8.4 million views on these videos. He shows you how to load BIOS. He shows you how to do it all, man. This guy is top notch, bro. Like, so you got your computer, now what? Like, install Windows, right? He just shows you how to do it, man. How to get it going so that your computer actually works and that you can use it, right? I think this guy's amazing. His videos are so in depth. Like, I hope to be as thorough as him one day. Unbelievable guy. Unbelievable guy. Jay is a beast. Yeah, he really is, bro. I just found him like 2 days ago. Hey, Lifer, what do you think about HODL token? I think it's cool, but it did take a bit of a dump. It took a bit of a dump, right? So the market's very... Yo, guys, if you notice, we're not going ape into all these different... Right now, it's all about Bitcoin. You see me tracking Bitcoin. The next few days, we have to track Bitcoin. And we gotta be on point. If we do not track Bitcoin, we will suffer multitude of losses. So let's keep our head about ourselves. Let's keep it moving. Yeah. So 11:41, guys, I got to make a run. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. 9:30 to 11:30 every single Monday through Friday, and then Saturday nights and Sunday nights. So look out for Saturday night. It's a more laid back stream on Saturday nights. Like, it's more regiment, real, like getting down to brass tacks Monday through Friday. Saturday night's the one night where I'm a little looser. I'm a little funnier. We get a little crazy, but we go over the charts. We go over what's going on, and we still get to brass tacks. Silos will be real gem. 13 million copy. Keep a half a cent available on KuCoin. I already own a bunch of silo, and I'm down huge. But I'm going to continue to hold my silo. What up, Sam? Damn, I got to tune in earlier. Shout out to David Nerahu. Shout out to Dave, man. What's up at the spot? Nice to see Dave, man. Yeah, we start at 9:30 every day, Dave. If you want to come onto the live stream, you want to make some money, or you want to learn about blockchain technology. Nice. Thanks, man. Great stream. Much appreciated. Love from the UK. Anytime, man. Anytime. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. At the end of every stream, I say crypto is love, and crypto is love. Crypto is life, and it is, man. It is. I say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Let me check the stream, make sure no one is like dying right there. They're in a trade where they just have to have it. Not sure what's going down. Shout out to everyone here. 9,150 subs. On our way to 10,000 subs. We're on our way to 10,000. We will get to 10,000. 10,000 watch party is here. My goal today is what? Okay. Today is Friday, June 4th. My goal is to get to 10,000 by Tuesday. 10,000 no later than Tuesday. Sunday night, I would like to get to 10,000 subs. And I believe it can be done. It can really be done. If Crypto Love put me on one more time, I'd be there. But crypto is love. Crypto is life. On the way to 10,000 subs. That would be a huge milestone. And honestly, a channel that gets 10,000 subs gets moved higher up into the algorithm and really starts benefiting more from the movement of YouTube as a whole. So the bigger your channel, the more you grow from YouTube growing, right? And so that's the idea here. 10K watch party on Safe Moon or Yacht. I hope so, man. I hope so. Safe Moon taking a beat down today, though. That worries me a little bit. So, again, guys, let me go over the if you're new to the channel, you may not have any idea what goes on here. You may be just completely confused because it's really unique. You don't see channels like this anywhere else on YouTube. But take a look. If you're new to the channel, what do we offer here? We have an amazing Patreon. For $99 a month, join the Patreon. It gives you access to 5 Telegram rooms, a beginner's room, a 99 room, which is just, the people that join the room and pay $99 a month and get to hang out and talk and go back and forth. I also have a Uniswap room, Binance Smart Chain, and mainly my exclusive calls and charts only. Everything that I'm actually doing in the market. And then once a week, every Wednesday at 6 p.m., I even do a weekly screen share, which reminds me, I got to get the weekly screen share uploaded right now. Interesting. So I got to start doing that right away and get it going. So many tasks all the time. Got to keep up with the tasks. Everybody shill for 10K. Yeah, try so hard, man. Push me hard. Let's get to that 10K, man. We just cracked 9,000 like yesterday. We're at 9,150. Let's get to 10K. We can do it. We can do it faster than fast, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the super chats that came in today. Ever since the bull market stopped, man, damn. It has not been raining coins into this jar. This jar has been definitely a little lonely. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm still so blessed to be here every day. I'm still so blessed to be able to represent cryptocurrency. I still don't know why you don't sell Safe Moon and buy back lower. You have doubled your Safe Moon by now, man. Yeah, it's about time. It's about time. I may sell it live, man, but today it dumped, and then you're like, Thanks, man. Have a nice day. You too, guys, man. Have a great day. Man, I got people. Can I pay? Someone just texted me, can I pay you for some help? And I want to write him, like, join my YouTube channel and find the link like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? The text message isn't the way, honestly. But I barely use my text messages anymore. I'm in Telegram all day long. So, and I got an automated booking system. Dude, it got to the point where asking someone, oh, what's your schedule? What's your schedule? Dude, if you had hundreds of people a month asking you what your schedule was, you know how many times you would spend you would spend a lot of your time just talking about schedule. Oh, where are you? Dude, that adds up over time. So I said, dude, it has to be automated. So boom, we got the automated booking system, right? Bam, that got put into plan right away. The second I did that too, it expanded the tutoring because now people can just hit the link and keep it moving. So if you need tutoring, if you want me to go over your portfolio, if you need consulting, if you're not sure what to do, if you bought at the highs and you got crushed, which a lot of people did, and now you have no idea what's going on and you're a little worried about cryptocurrency. You don't have a plan. You don't even know why you're buying Bitcoin. You have to really change your mentality. You have to understand why you're buying Bitcoin. Watch my video that I just posted, the top 5 reasons why I will never sell my Bitcoin. It's going to really give you the fundamentals behind what's going on in the world. Break it down for you guys. So if you need tutoring, if you need consulting, if you need help, if you need just a mental structure, if you need someone to sit with you and kind of slow you down and talk with you, some people need that. There's no one to talk to about cryptocurrency. A lot of people feel all alone. I will be there for you. Hit the link. I'll be there for you. And honestly, I don't know how much longer I can do it as this continues to grow, but I do it and I love it. So I don't want to discourage it. I want to tell you guys, take advantage of it while you can, because I guarantee probably a year from now, I will not be doing one-on-one tutorings. It's probably, if I do, they'll be very selective and it'll be a lot harder to do. Join my Patreon. That's where you're going to get tutoring from everyone in my group all at once. Everyone that I've tutored will also tutor you. So, bam. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. You're doing them. Thank you so much for the $98 in Super Chats. Much respect to you guys. I appreciate that. I did stream for 2 hours. That's about $50 an hour. That's a good hourly wage, even though YouTube takes a little bit too. But it's an okay hourly wage. I appreciate that. So thank you very much for all the love. Thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate you guys. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life, and I'm on my way. 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. I'll see you guys on the next live stream tomorrow at 8 p.m. Remember, 8 p.m. on Saturday nights. Be safe. I love y'all. But I'll probably do a live stream outside or in the backyard or something like that. Saturdays, I like to do a candid outdoor, something more like an AMA. So look for probably 2 live streams tomorrow and some content. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Be safe. And I'll see you on the next live stream. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life.